Welcome to my house. So I bought a house and I'm standing in it right now. I just got the keys yesterday and this still feels completely unreal to me. This is the first time purchasing a home. So it's crazy, but I really wanted to document this whole endeavor from an empty house tour, which is what this is today, and then just through the whole process of renovating and remodeling, and yeah. So if you're into those types of videos, I highly request and suggest that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And I want to show you my house. It's still like my house. Okay. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad, but I only have natural lighting and I don't want my new neighbors to see me filming, so I have the curtains. Here is the living room. All throughout the house it is hardwood or laminate flooring, which I was really looking forward to because carpet I just stain so easily. So this is the living room. Obviously there's nothing in it right now. There's a lamp with my goat. And there is the entryway. I'm going to paint almost everything in this house, so there's that. And right here is like this small little dining area. We have the French doors to the backyard. I've never really had a full dining room ever in my life, so this is plenty of space for me. I'll just put a table there. And then here we have the kitchen. So it came with all of the major appliances, which I was so grateful for because those are expensive. It's not a huge kitchen, but it is plenty for what I need. I do also plan on painting all of this. Like, this is going to be white. We're going to change the blue, so definitely not keeping that look. First time having an electric stove. Usually I'm used to a gas stove, so there's that. A dishwasher, because that is essential to my living. And this has something I've never had before, and that is a trash disposal. I know I'm just pointing this in the gross sink, but I've never had a trash disposal before, and I've always wanted one, so this is huge for me. So come in, go down these stairs. In this area, this is just where the laundry will be. It's not a large laundry room, but it should be just fine for what I need. Another door to the outside. And then something that was essential for me is to have at least 1.5 baths, because my bladder is unpredictable, and if someone's in the shower and I need to pee, it's a bad situation. So we have this little half bath that looks like pretty new and updated. That little sink, you know, just a bathroom, but definitely need this. And then if you come in here, here is like another little sitting area. It might honestly be the same size as the living room. So I was totally not expecting to have this much space, honestly. I'm not used to having 2 types of living rooms. So we're gonna kind of use this as like a chill out room for yoga. I really wanna put up some kind of like hanging hammock chair to read. These are the other types of floor that I have. Down here it's this, and upstairs it is the wood flooring. And obviously this house is completely empty right now, so I'm hearing quite the echo. Love this. This area is already painted white, so I probably will wait to do this. I know it still has some like marks on the wall, but I'm definitely gonna take the priority on the oddly colored rooms. This house has pretty good natural light. There are a lot of windows in the front of the house. So like there are 2 in this room. There's the back door that offered the window. The kitchen has a lot of natural light. And then this room is, I don't know what they technically consider it, because it wasn't considered a bedroom when I purchased the house, but I'm going to use this as an office. So I work from home, so I will do that in here. And then I also want to film all of my videos in here, because currently I just set up and take down everything in my bedroom, and that is a pain, but it has a nice window so I can get some natural lighting, which I definitely rely on for my videos. and a pretty sufficient space with like a white wall background, so I hope I can have more of a natural background instead of using my backdrop because it's just getting old and tattered. Also has some nice closet space in here, so I can keep maybe like extra coats and extra storage, definitely makeup storage, keep all of my filming things in here. I'm gonna paint these doors as well. These kind of closet doors are throughout the house, and I want to paint them white and just get rid of the warm wood look in here. They replaced all of the electrical outlets to these new, like, I don't know what you call these, like bars. Like, it's not like your typical flip switch. So we have this down level, so go up these stairs. So this is like the main level. We have the lower level, and then we have the upstairs, which is where all the bedrooms are. So first on the left is the bathroom. So, well, okay, it does have lighting. It has a double sink, which is perfect because I'm going, oh, hi. My sister and I are moving in together, so we can both have our own sinks and storage on each side, which is perfect because I have, as you can imagine, a lot of beauty products. Also love to have this storage right here, so I can keep this for towels, all my beauty products. Like, there's a lot of shelves, so I can buy a lot more now. I really enjoy having these here because my current bathroom doesn't have a ton of storage. There's storage underneath the sink and in the mirror cabinet, but that's about it. And the person who sold me the house, they were a little bit older, so there's all kinds of like handlebars, and I'll probably just remove those because I don't need them. Yeah, toilet, very exciting. It has a bath, which is definitely needed. No window above the bath. I really did not want to get just a standing shower. I looked at some places that had just standing showers, but I'm looking forward to being able to bathe and use bath bombs and whatnot. So everything in here looks pretty updated. That looks pretty new, at least from what I'm used to. It's a nice tile that also looks updated, not like your traditional grout tile. When I came to look at this house, it didn't have any doors upstairs, and I was so excited when I did the walkthrough to see that it actually has doors. So I'll probably paint these white as well. Like, any of the wood in this house that's this color is probably gonna be changed. Okay, so we have this room right here. Each of the bedrooms up here, I think all of them, have like little things from a child that was probably living here. So I'll just take those down and paint this. But this is gonna be just like a little spare bedroom if I have people stay over, friends. It's not a huge room, but I'll probably just be able to fit like a bed in here, a dresser, basic essentials for any guests that's staying over. It has a little closet over here, which I'll probably just use for storage. That's something I love about this house, is there is so much storage that I am not used to. It's a nice large window for this room. As you can see, it gets pretty good natural lighting. Like, this doesn't have any overhead lights, so that's all from the sun, and it's an overcast winter day, so have this closet storage right here. And this room to my left, this is going to be my bedroom. So I think this is the largest of the bedrooms. It has 2 windows, so it has pretty good natural lighting, especially like right over here. And then it has a nice large closet. Currently I just have like a single door climb inside one, not with sliding doors that you can open from either side. So I'm really excited to have these. It has some shelving up here as well. I really want to put in like more tension rods so that I can have like shirts hanging up, and then like maybe pants down here. Currently I use a lot of dressers, but if I can fit everything in this closet and figure out a way to do that successfully, I'm definitely going to do it. Right now it's painted just a light blue color, which I don't dislike, but I think I still want this to be white, just to have a nice neutral backdrop. And now I have to think about the other colors that I put in this room. It's super cold in here, man. Okay, and then we have the last bedroom over here, which is a very interesting yellow-green color. So this room still has pretty good natural light. It has a little bit less since it's on the other side of the house, but this also has a closet with sliding doors. And this has a lot more of the stickers on the wall. There is, what's her name? What is her name? Twinkle? Shoot. I don't remember her name at all. I feel like that's bad. So this room has a little bit more wear on it that I'll need to do for like patching walls and sanding things out. Got a nice big butterfly there. Thankfully these feel pretty easy to just peel right off. Like I don't think it's gonna be a huge issue. I can already see it coming up in some of the areas. Here we go. And then we're gonna head back down. When you come down these stairs, you are back in the living room. I think this house is gonna have a lot more filming opportunities. There's a lot of natural light. Once I paint everything white, the natural light will bounce off the walls, and I think it'll be really nice. And I have more space to put actual equipment, like if I wanted to purchase a light for filming. But this is still so crazy to me. I had been looking for months, so for it to finally be happening, it's crazy. And even though I'm not making big bucks doing YouTube as a career right now, I still really appreciate every single dollar that I get from YouTube. Not to say that I wouldn't be able to purchase this house without the YouTube income, but like every single little bit helps, and it just adds a little bit more wiggle room. So thank you to everyone that subscribe to my channel, watches videos, likes them, shares, all of that. I'm really excited to start this journey, and I'm so excited for the content that I'm going to be able to make just by redoing the house, and then also the space I'll have once I'm finished. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. I hope you give this video a like and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Also, I forgot to talk about my Christmas cat sweater, which is pretty dope. I got it from a friend, and it's supposed to light up, but I need to change the batteries. So, okay, see you in my next one.